Budget meal ba hanap mo? Yung matibay pang pamilya, matibay pang negosyo at matibay pang daily? Toyota Avanza lang yan. I got you ulit! Good morning guys! So this is a 2019 Toyota Avanza E 1.3 liter engine, automatic transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint at naka 14 inches alloy wheel ka, makikintab yung gulong yan at makakapal. At sa harap, meron akong napakakintab na headlight, halogen headlamps at napakapoging grill at 8 ang ending. At kung titignan nyo, sporty na rin siya. At sa engine niya, it's a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder dual VVTi naturally aspirated gasoline engine. Meaning yung engine niya, hindi siya mabilis, pero napaka-reliable nito, napakatibay at napakadaling i-maintain. At sa kondisyon ng makina, napakasariwa, magdala ka ng scanner mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa loob niya, very classy, meron kang aircon diffuser dito at napaka-fresh sa fabric seats, well-designed na dashboard, may air vents ka, traditional infotainment system, climate control, automatic transmission, 3 cup holders at napaka-fresh na steering wheel, analog and digital display, with low odometer only. At syempre, meron tayong 2 vanity mirrors on both sides, sa passenger side lang pala. At sa second row naman, nothing special here pero napakaluwag dito. Perfect pang family, maluwag yung legroom headroom ko, 5'10" yung height ko, may 3 air vents ka at climate control. At sa third row niya, sakto ng space ko, may 2 cup holders ka on both sides. At sa likod niya, meron kang stock taillights, Avanza badge sa trunk space. Meron kang napakaluwag na trunk space at kung gusto mo ng upuan, nabababa yung upuan yan. Kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is a 2019 Toyota Avanza E 1.3 liter automatic transmission na pang budget meal. Kaya kung gusto mo tong coaching to for only 595,000 guys, mauuwi mo na to. Open tayo for cash trade-in and financing. Sa financing natin, napaka-basic niyan. 1-day approval tayo at napaka-basic na requirements natin. At syempre, we have all over 60 units dito sa Darius Gen. At kapag cash naman, para ka lang bumili ng candy. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo guys? Tumawag ka na, punta na dito, baka mauna ka pa. Tingin guys, peace out.